Your dog's passion for the outdoors is contagious. Watching them take in new sights and smells fills your heart with happiness. That is, until they roll in a pile of bear poop. Then you're reminded of your recent shopping trip to buy all-natural dog shampoo, and you find a lot of products that claim to be all-natural, but the ingredients listed didn't match the claims on the label. The ingredients in four-legged dog shampoo are sustainably sourced, and our product is USDA Certified Organic to food standards. Why? Well, we wanted independent oversight to demonstrate our commitment to quality. You can feel good about using four-legger when you're outdoors because it's biodegradable. Yes, we have a lot of two-leggers who happily use four-legger on themselves. Pet parents who care about ingredients and the health of our planet trust four-legger. Learn more about four-legger at www.4-legger.com.